Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can convert your Wix site into a PDF. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, in order to convert your site to a PDF, first of all, go to your site editor, click on select and edit site. And then once you do that, you're going to be taken to your Wix dashboard. Once here, click on design site or edit site here in the bottom. So once you click on design site, you're going to be taken to this tab right here. Just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, go here to the top, you're going to find publish your site. And after that, you're going to get this. So once here, just copy your link to your site like this, copy it and click on done. And after that, in a new tab, go ahead and search for HTML to PDF. I love PDF. Once you do that, hit enter and then click on the first link. After that, you're going to find here a add HTML. Click on it, add your site and click on add like this. And as you can see, guys, now it's loading. Just wait for it to load. Here you can convert it to a PDF and just wait for it to load right now. And then once loaded, your PDF is going to be ready. So just click on download PDF and then it's going to be downloaded to your computer. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.